Hey everyone, it's Sky from Boundary Ford. Today we're checking out this beautiful Ford Bronco with the Badlands package. This unit has a 2.7 liter EcoBoost V6 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have active grille shutters, front sensors, adaptive cruise control, and a 360 camera. At the side we have power heated mirrors, fender tie-down hooks, a hard top that is molded in color, as well as remote start. At the interior we have a leather wrapped heated telescopic steering wheel with orange feature accents. Looking ahead at the 12-inch LCD stacked touchscreen, we have options such as navigation, Bluetooth audio, as well as a B&O audio system. The heated seats make for a super comfortable ride, and just below we have a GOAT mode dial, which stands for Go Over Any Type of Terrain. Whether you want super sandy, super slippery, oh so sporty, or super economical, this mode allows for all. At the rear, we have our marine grade vinyl seating with grid back pocketed seats, which make tying things down much easier. This unit is equipped with a manual swing gate with up to 150-degree swing, as well as trailer sway control. The rear has 60/40 split fold seats, which make for a ton of rear cargo space. Thanks for checking out our video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more of what we have in store.